Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this video about Nasdaq. So let's get started. Nasdaq weekly chart here, made on 27 July 2023. And this is one of those, again, harmonic pattern. The first pullback is at 61, then 38, and then 161. They call it a crap pattern, right? Okay, no problem. Whatever, right? So this was the chart that I said, okay, no problem. And this is the high, right? I forgot to mark here that, just like the US, not US, S&P 500 video I just made, right? The rising TL, this rising TL, black TL was the target. If we stay below this area, 157.18. So what happened to this chart? Came down exactly where the target was. Let me see this. I was expecting here. See this 143.82 is a highlighted black number at that time, and the rising TL, and it came exactly boom there. Now, what happened to the next chart? This is the after chart, right? And then I made another chart, and it went down a little bit more. It's a 140.78, right? And let me see, 140.78. This was 143 something, right? So this one came down a little bit more on the 20th October, right? And that's where I said this could be wave 4 ending here, and then we will go above this high for wave 5. This is the before chart, right? This was 143.82, right? So we drop a little bit more to this level. No big deal. That happens all the time, especially in a weekly chart. That doesn't mean anything. So I said must stay above 140.78 in order to go to this high. I forgot to mark the number here, but this was the target. What happened? It started to go up slowly but surely, and this is where I made another chart before chart when we were even higher than this. All the way on February 10th, I made this chart that the final target would be 127, extension of this drop here from here to here. See this fib here? It's an extension. So what happened to this chart? It's to start to go up a little bit more. On the 24th February, I recorded this chart, and today I recorded this. We almost touched that level, 127, and then start to drop. So now, since I think the whole market is turning, and the US dollar is turning, and the yen is turning, then this thing will also make the turn just like here. We think that, I think that, we're going to be dropping back to this high at least. So let's see, right? So this is a high here. I forgot to mark here, right? So just pay attention to that. And hopefully from there, this thing is, well, it already started to drop, right? So on a 40-minute chart, I am watching this on a 40-minute chart, let's say, here, right? So it's dropping, right? But see this what happened before, and then it start to go up again. So if it does the same thing again, then I'll be all over it to the long side. But I think that, since everything else is turning, then hopefully this will drop here and then go back up and then make a short setup, and I will be all over it, right? So this is how Nasdaq is behaving and the weekly chart analysis, right? So pay attention. Once we get there, then we're probably going to bounce a little bit before coming down even more. Just like here, you bounce it, you drop here and then you bounce a little bit, then drop, then bounce a little bit. That, maybe we will do that there. But I think all in all, we are right in like in a retracement now. In retracement mode started already, and we will be doing that, and maybe all the way back to the TL, this blue rising TL. So let's see. This one, and you see this one making the channel, but if you're talking about the TL, that would be from here to here, which will come a little bit inside the channel, right? Now, what happened? The price usually, what it does is that it goes whatever is outside. Either it's outside the regular tier is outside the channel, or the channel tier is outside the regular tier. It will go for that. So maybe it will come all the way here, and then you see this high here on the left. This would be too much, but maybe this low here. Here, see this low and this high here? Let me mark here. Okay. that would be the target. Right, so the price can easily come into this area, right? So let's see, maybe here as well, who knows, right? This one here, let me just draw the line. This is a big area, okay? So is it possible coming down here in a straight line? Yeah, maybe, right? Or a little bit more higher to this level. So let's see what happened, right? So a lot of people saying that, it's almost impossible coming down now right now because the trend is so much strong to the upside. And, I was told in this area as well, but look what happened. I made the chart that's going to drop and it did. So I may get lucky again, right? So, but it never touched the 127 area. So it may go to the upside and to finish the unfinished job and then drop, but the drop is imminent. It's coming very soon. All right, so be ready for that. Maybe this is the one, right? Maybe this black candle will hold. Maybe this high is gonna hold, and we will just go down from there, right? So I'll be looking for shorts if they show up. Okay, so this is it for now. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so you can get more videos like that. Next video I will be making probably like US 30 or DAX or something like that. Okay, they all do the same thing. They all just go in the same direction, the same time, most of the time. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful rest of the trading week.